Hello there, I'm Samuel. Welcome to this training. Today we are going to show you how to do basic color corrections on your smartphones. We are going to show you how to make your highlights to be correct, how to balance your colors, how to make your blacks to be black, how to make your whites to be white, how to add contrast on your videos using Node Video. And it's a very advanced application which you can use also to color grade at the same time. So no need for you to find any other advanced software or using your laptop. All you need is just your smartphone. Without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, what you are going to do is you are going to click on the plus icon to import the video. Click on the plus, choose video, and go ahead and choose the video you want to import. Once you have imported the video, I'm going to try and make it a little bit wider with the screen wider so that we can see the difference of what we are doing. And at the other side, click on the plus and go to color correction. Click on the basic color correction tool and a new tab will be brought out where you'll be able to either decide to sharpen your image, decide to set saturation, and so much more. So go ahead and put thumbs on the number and drag them up to increase the number of videos down. So increase the number of the saturation to make it more saturated, and you can go ahead and play the number of the sharpen, drag it up or down to make the videos much more sharp or to make it less sharp. So the next thing you're going to do is click on the white balance. You can decide to increase the temperature by use your thumb to drag it up. You can make it much more yellowish, like the sun's golden hour. Or you can drag it down to be much more cold, like bluish. So you can go ahead and play with the temperature by doing that. Then the next thing you can do is play with the tint. Click on the tint and you'll be able to make it much more greenish, or you can try to make me much more pink. Click on the tint and you'll be able to adjust your tint to make it much more bluish or greenish depending on how you want it to be and how it's comfortable for your footage. Now after you've done that with your tone, you can go ahead and click on your tone, and after you click on your tone, you'll see other sliders come up. We have the exposure for you to increase and reduce your exposure to be much more brighter or darker. We have the next one, which is the gamma ray. Go ahead and click on the gamma. When you click on the gamma, you'll be able to make some adjustments to it also. If you play with the gamma, you'll be able to make it much more brighter and make it much more darker. Next, we have the contrast. All you have to do is drag your thumb downward to increase the contrast and make it much more darker, and you need to reduce the contrast by bringing it up. The same goes for the highlights. When you go ahead and drag it up or down, you'll either increase or decrease the highlights, which in this video is the sky. So go ahead and try playing with the highlights. And of course the shadows, which is a dark part of the video, you can increase and reduce it. The whites and also the blacks by reducing and decreasing it. So if you go ahead and try playing with all these features of the Node Video application, you'll be able to color correct your videos, and you'll be able to make any of your footage to be color corrected, makes the blacks and makes the whites. So go ahead and try color correcting with Node Video, and I'll see you in the next video.